Hello everyone! Ang title ng aking topic ay The Importance of Protecting Yourself Before Interrogation. Protecting oneself before an interrogation is paramount because it is the crucial moments to formally assert your Fifth Amendment's right to remain silent and your Sixth Amendment's right to legal counsel. Consulting or demanding an attorney before questioning begins thus guarantee that a professional legal advocate is the present who will then prevent police from using psychological coercive tactics to get to you, inadvertently self-incriminate through misleading statement under pressure, and ensure that all procedures are conducted under legal requirements, safeguarding the integrity of any future defense. What are the Miranda warnings? In 1966, the case of Miranda v. Arizona, the Supreme Court held that the police must advise a suspect in custody of his constitutional rights before questioning that suspect. These rights secured by the Fifth and Sixth Amendments to the Constitution. May karapatan kang manahimik, simple, ngunit napakahalaga nito. Ito ang Miranda Rights, isang set ng mga babala na nagproprotekta sa ating mga karapatang bilang Pilipino. Alamin natin kung ano ang mga ito at kung kailan sila dapat ipatupad. Ang karapatang Miranda Rights ay nakapaloob sa 12 Artikulo 3 ng ating 1987 Constitution. Ito ay paraan ng pagprotekta sa iyo mula sa pilitang pag-amin ng kasalanan. Ito ay binibigay sa isang tao na sinisiyasat para sa isang krimen. Ang buong punto nito, siguraduhin ng sino mang ay hindi mapipilit, matatakot o madadaya para umamin sa isang bagay na hindi ginawa. Ang bawat salita mo ay dapat malaya at voluntaryo. You have the rights to remain silent. You have the rights to consult with a lawyer and to have the lawyer present during the interrogation. If you cannot afford a lawyer may be appointed to represent you at no cost to you. Ayon sa batas, ang mga sumusunod na karapatan ay dapat ipaalam sa iyo sa wikang naiintindihan mo. Karapatang manahimik. Rights to remain silent. Magkaroon ng abogado. Right to conceal. Dapat ikaw ay pinapaalalahanan ng anumang sasabihin mo ay pwedeng gamitin laban o pabor sa iyo sa husgado. Sa madaling salita, bago ka tanungin sa pulisya, dapat alam mo ang mga proteksyong ito. You do not have to handcuff and hauled off to jail or the police station in order to be in custody. A person is in custody when he arrested or when his freedom of movement is significantly restricted to the degree associated with the formal arrest. The determination is made in light of all the circumstances surrounding the encounter with the police. If a reasonable person would not have felt free to walk away, then the suspect was in custody and Miranda applies. How do you invoke your rights to remain silent? Silence, even for a long, is enough to invoke your remain to silent. You must speak up and ambiguously announce that you are not going to speak to the officers. No special words are required, but you must make your decision to be quite plainly known. Ito ang pinakamalakas mong panangga. Ang karapatang manahimik ay nangangahulugan. Hindi ka obligado na sagutin ang anumang tanong na maaaring maging ebidensya laban sa iyo. Ang pananahimik mo ay hindi pwedeng gamitin ng pisikal bilang patunay na guilty ka. Kung pipiliin mong magsalita ng walang abogado, anumang sasabihin mo sa tingin mo ay inosente ay pwedeng baliktarin at gamitin laban sa iyo sa korte. You must say, for example, I wish to remain silent. I have nothing to say. I do not want to answer any question. I do not want to talk until I have spoken to a lawyer. When, when should you assert your rights? The best time to assert your rights is immediately after the Miranda warnings are administered before you answer any question. You may thought assert these rights are any time during police questioning, even if you are already answered some questions or made other statements. What happens if the police fail to administer Miranda warnings? If the police officers fails to advise you of your rights, then the statements you make cannot be used as direct evidence against you in court. Hindi sapat na manahimik ka lang. Kung gusto mong gamitin ang iyong karapatan, dapat mo itong sabihin ng malinaw. At sa sandaling sinimulan kang tanongin ng pulisya, pwede kang magsabi ng, gamitin ko ang aking karapatang manahimik. Gusto ko ng abogado bago ako magsalita. Kapag sinabi mo yan, dapat silang tumigil sa pagtatanong hanggat wala sa iyong abogado. Tandaan, ang responsibilidad ng ipahayag ang iyong karapatan ay nasa iyo. Kaya, huwag magpadalos-dalos. Moreover, if the police uncover additional evidence like drugs or weapons as a result of your statement, the evidence is tainted by the officers' failure to advise of your rights, and therefore also may be included from any court proceedings. Summary: if you are in the police custody, you must be advised of the constitutional rights to remain silent and rights to conceal before being questioned by the law enforcement. You are in custody when you are arrested or when your freedom is significantly restricted. Such the reasonable person in the same situation would not feel free to leave. You must pick up the affirmatively assert your right to remain silent. If the police fail to advise you of the rights prior to questioning you, your statement cannot be used against you in court. Any evidence found as a result of those statements also will be included. Alamin ang iyong karapatang Miranda. Ito ang iyong proteksyon laban sa pagkakagulo sa sistema ng hustisya. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.